unfortunate news that came in last evening of this tragedy that unfolded in Tirupati late on Wednesday evening as hundreds of devotees gathered from across the country for the 10-day Vaikuntha Dwara Darshanam. And the people who have been injured in the stampede have been rushed to government hospital in Tirupati. Several others who fell unconscious during the stampede have also been admitted for treatment. Jostling among hundreds of devotees for tickets to the religious event in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh is suspected to have caused the stampede that claimed at least 7 lives.
எப்போ வந்தீங்க?
மத்தியானம் 3 மணிக்கு வந்து ட்ரெயின் வந்தங்க. சாயங்காலம் 6 மணிக்கு அந்த தேவஸ்தான கீழே அடியில் இருக்குங்க ரயில்வே ஸ்டேஷன் முன்னாடி அங்கே வந்து இது கட்டணும்னு சொல்லி போனாங்க. கூட்டிகிட்டு போனாங்க போனது நானும் கட்டி பிடிச்சதை போன வச்சு மெதிச்சு கூட்டிட்டு அந்த இதாகி போச்சு. வீட்டுக்கு சொல்லி 6 மணிக்கு வயது 50.
Varshni is joining us live right now. Varshni, most unfortunate as we are looking at thousands of devotees that began lining up at the counters there. And by the evening, when it comes to the crowd, that became, unmanageable. And there was a lot of pushing and jostling at the counters there. That is said to be the reason behind the stampede being reported.
Absolutely, yes. We are standing right at the spot where this unfortunate incident has taken place. Like you can see this park right behind us in the pictures. This is the park where the devotees who had come to receive those tickets were kept. So initially from 8 a.m. in the morning, there were a lot of people who started coming. So the TTD officials had kept the people who were coming to receive the tokens inside this park premises. They were all put inside and the gates were all locked. Because the issuing of tokens was not supposed to begin until 5 a.m. today morning. But yesterday, out of the impatient devotees who couldn't wait inside the park, some of them have jumped upon the gates, some of them have crossed the walls and have tried to come out because the queue to the ticket counter is right outside the gate. Like you can see to the left of the park, the queues begin. So impatient devotees have jumped out and the TTD officials who were not able to manage the crowd had opened the gates, which had, the crowd immediately flooded out of the gates and they all came rushing outside, and that is why a stampede took place right in front of this park where now it has resulted in the death of 6 people. And what we are given to understand is that 5 people in this crowd had lost their lives, and the one lady had lost it in another queue where she was not able to stand in the crowd and she was not able to pass through the crowd, and that is how she had lost her life. 5 people had lost their lives in this particular stampede which happened right in front of this park, which was this particular queue where people could have easily taken the queue and gone to the ticket counters if they had proper regulation systems, if they were police or if they were officials who were there to properly guide them. It would have been much more safer. But the police also say that yesterday's crowd was totally uncontrollable. They were jumping out of the fences. They were jumping out of the park, which was why it was uncontrollable last night. But what we are given to understand right now is the ticket counters are now being regulated. Additional security has been deployed here so that people who come newly to receive the tokens, receive the passes, are able to freely walk and are ensuring that they do not, another crowd or a mishandling of a crowd does not take place, and they are able to ensure safety for the devotees is what is being the top priority right now. So there is a review that is also being taken because like Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu is going to arrive here by 12 noon today.
As Varshni mentioned, the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, who has expressed his grief and shock over the deaths of the devotees that have been reported in the stampede which occurred while they were waiting for the darshan tokens at the Tirumala Vaikuntha Dwar. And the Chief Minister, who is also scheduled to visit Tirupati, as he's been speaking to the officials over the phone, inquiring about the treatment of those who have been injured. And senior officials that have also been instructed to visit the scene to take immediate relief measures to ensure that the injured can also receive proper care. So the Chief Minister there also issuing directions as he himself is expected to visit the incident site.
में एकादशी दर्शन के लिए इधर हम टोकन इशू करने के लिए 91 काउंटर्स ओपन किया। ये बहुत बुरा बात है। वो भैरवपट्टी का वो काउंटिंग सेंटर पर स्टैम्पेड हुआ। उधर स्टैम्पेड में डिवोटीज का डेथ हो गया और टोटली 40 pilgrims were admitted. We are giving our best medical services to that affected devotees. But it is a very unfortunate incident. Never happened in TTD history.
Opened 8